Today, I'm going to show you a work using these materials. These are called circular insets. These are figures that fit in a frame. Let's start. I have here a unit. If you remember the bead that we use to represent a unit, if you flat that bead, it will look like this, right? So this is a unit. This unit is called a whole. This is how you write whole. Whole. Now, here is another unit. But this unit is broken into two parts. This and this. It's broken into two parts. Let's see if the two parts are the same. They're the same. So, we have here two equal parts. These are called the halves. This is how you write halves. Halves. Now here is a unit. This time it is broken into three equal parts. 1, 2, 3. Now let's see if the parts are the same. They are the same. A unit broken into three equal parts, we call these the thirds. This is how you write thirds. Now, here is a unit broken into four equal parts. Let's see if the parts are really equal. The same. They're all the same. We call these the fourths. Fourths. Now here is a unit broken into five equal parts. Let's check. They're all the same. These are called the fifths. This is how you write fifths. Here is another unit. This time it's broken into six equal parts. Let's check if the parts are the same. It's the same. We call these the 6. This is how you write 6. Now we have here a whole broken into, it's broken into 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now let's check if they're the same or equal. Indeed, they are all equal. Now we call these sevenths. This is how we write sevenths. Sevenths. Here is another unit. Now let's count how many times this unit was broken into. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this unit is broken into 8 equal parts. We call this the eighths. Now let's check if the parts are really equal. Indeed, all parts are equal. Now this is how we write eighths. Eighths. Now let's have this unit. Let's count how many parts this unit was broken into. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Oh, we have here a unit broken into 9 pieces. Let's check if they're all the same. We have here a unit broken into 9 equal parts. We call these the ninths. This is how you write ninths. Now, let's look at this unit and see how many times this unit was broken into. Let's count. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now let's see if the pieces are equal. Indeed, we have here a unit broken into 10 equal parts. We call this the tenths. This is how we write tenths. Let's name them one more time. This is a unit, or we call it whole. This is a unit broken into 2 equal parts. We call these halves. A unit broken into 3 equal parts. We call these thirds. A unit broken into 4 equal parts. We call these fourths. A unit broken into 5 equal parts. We call this fifths. A unit broken into 6 equal parts, we call these sixths. A unit broken into 7 equal parts, we call these sevenths. A unit broken into 8 equal parts, we call these eighths. A unit broken into 9 equal parts, we call these ninths. And lastly, a unit broken into 10 equal parts, we call these the tenths. If you have a unit and you divide them into equal parts, or you cut it into equal parts, you call each piece a fraction. Or the pieces, you call it fractions. So this is our work for today. Now I'll show you how to keep.